Today, Western actor Dilip Kumar has been hospitalized in Hinduja Hospital, Khar, Mumbai due to breathing problem. Actor Dilip Kumar has been hospitalized to Hinduja Hospital in Khar, Mumbai. After his complaint of a birth illness on Sunday, the 19-year-old actor is being monitored by senior doctor at the hospital. Earlier, the actor was admitted to the hospital in May for routine checkup. In May, the actor was discharged from the hospital after all the tests were conducted. Dilip Kumar turned 19 on December 11, 2022. The actor did not celebrate his birthday as he lost his two brothers in 2020. Speaking about the same, his wife Saira Bano had said, "We have had a catastrophe this year. Dilip Sahab lost his two brothers. He doesn't keep will, neither do I. It's a difficult time for us. So there is no question for a big celebration. We will simply thank the Lord of the gift of life and health." Dilip Kumar and Saira Banu had been in isolation since March 2020 due to the novel coronavirus pandemic. Born as Muhammad Yusuf Khan on December 11, 1922. Dilip Kumar made his acting debut in 1944 film Jwar Bhatta. It was the 1947 film capitulated the Doctor Do the Limelight. The actor unsettled home in Pakistan is being converted into a Muslim by the government there. Dilip Kumar has been a part of several Bollywood films: Jogan, Babul, Azad, Tarana, Didar, Aan, Karma, Footpath, Daag, Devdas and Mughal-e Azam. Dilip Kumar made his last film appearance in 1998 is Kila.